Hey, good morning everybody. This is Clifford Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in Carrollwood, Florida. We're here for a pool lanai cleaning. And it's probably the worst, one of the worst I'm ever gonna be doing on this channel. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. But before I start, I wanna thank all y'all for y'all support. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And drop a comment if you, you know what I'm saying, got any questions. So this case is pretty bad. The game plan is to downstream first, and whatever that doesn't come off, I may have to hit with my 12 volt with a hotter mix. So let's go check it out. So we're gonna do the outside first. So you can see we got some broken screens. This is a very old pool, pool lanai. Screens are pretty brittle, but this thing hasn't been cleaned in a while, man. See how bad it looks. Very bad algae over here. A lot of lichen on the cage. I just put up a bunch of vines, man. There was a bunch of vines on it. Look, there was one right there. Look at that. That was all on top of the cage. This thing is nasty. Look at that. Pretty bad, pretty bad. We're gonna show you guys the inside. Same thing over here, a lot of lichen. We gotta get that cleaned up. Pool deck. Pool deck is not too terrible, but you can see over here, man, it's mushrooms. These are lichen. It's gonna usually take a little stronger mix. This is all on the cage. Man, this thing is bad, man. Look at the screens. Look at the cage itself. All the paint is all the mixing off of it. But it's dirty still. Still gotta get that cleaned up. I don't know. It might just be dirty. Look at that. It's bad. Man, it's gonna be a lot of work, especially for this area that's over the pool, like right here. It's crazy how I built right here, but not on this one. So yeah, these areas are gonna take a little stronger mix and a little persuasion to get it off. So you got more vines on here, more vines at the top. But these screens, I'm gonna have to be real careful with these screens, man. So this one here got the, I don't know what they call that, but I guess the retainer, whatever they call this little thing. So therefore we're gonna have to be careful when we're rinsing it, because it's halfway off already, and that means the top is not secured. So we gotta be careful with this one here. Got more vines on this top right here on this side. But we're gonna bring it back to life, man. You know how we do. Thing is bad. Clean this diving board. All right, guys, like I said, we're gonna downstream the outside, downstream the inside. Probably have to give this one a good 10-15 minutes dwell time before we start rinsing, and then we may have to come back, hit it with a 12 volt with a stronger mix. Let's get it. All right, I guess I'll get our SH on. This place needs a house wash too, man. Real bad. Got a little overcast day. Nice cool morning. It's gonna be a nice transformation when I'm done. Alright, we're on the inside now. So you got some ripped screens already. All this stuff you gotta get on camera, guys. If you're doing these cages with these screens, you don't wanna be blamed for them, so make sure you cover yourself. Soak this lichen up really good, man, so they can soften it up. Yes, sir. And no, you don't have to worry about the SH falling in the pool. I get this question a lot. SH is chlorine, so it's the same thing that's in the pool already. Alright, we got the cage downstream. I started applying soap right around 10, 15, no. Yeah, a little bit after 10 o'clock. I started about like 10:05 or so. So it's been about 15 minutes almost since I started. We're gonna give it a little time. This lichen probably gonna take two coats. But I don't know, if you give it dwell time, it comes out easier. Over here was really bad. Oh yeah, look at that. Coming off like butter. Got the floor downstream also. The deck. This whole area is all this soaking up. SH. These vines are annoying. They're everywhere. It's not pressure washing, that's landscaping. Oh yeah, look at this area right here, it's turning white. So that means the algae is getting killed. It's gonna come off real good when we start rinsing this. Gonna try to stay away from applying a heavy pressure because I don't wanna dislodge none of these screens, man. It's a very big concern for this job. All right, and now it is 10:25. At 10:30, I'm gonna start rinsing. This is the final product, guys. I couldn't get the vines that's on top over here because they're on top of the cage, but you see there's a big difference. Pool deck cleaned up nice. Some of the lichen I couldn't get all the way off. Fighting with that thing forever. This area right here holds water. Water just comes back in. Nothing you can do about that. This is how the place is built. Check out the outside. All cleaned up. Nice and clear. No damage whatsoever to the screens. That's what you want, man. No damage. You want to leave it how you found it, even though these screens here were pretty bad. Rotten, really bad. So low pressure cleaning, man. Actually, this customer, when he messaged me, he was like, "You do soft washing, right?" Most customers don't know about soft washing. So when he said that, I was like, okay, we definitely gonna soft wash. All right, you guys, we all finished for the day, man. One job on the schedule today. Nothing much, nothing crazy. That cage whooped my butt, man. All that lichen, it was way overdue, man. I mean, you got vines growing on top of the cage. I didn't expect to see all of that. Usually I don't go to the customer's home to see basic stuff like pool cages, driveways, you know, house washing. I normally go if I can see a roof to measure it, or if I can see like pavers that, you know, if I'm gonna seal pavers. Those are the ones I go in person for. For pool cages, driveways, stuff like that, I pretty much have a package price that it falls in between, you know what I'm saying? Could be 200 to like 350, depends on the size of the driveway. But I should have went and saw that one, man. If I did, the estimate would have been higher. I actually give them a discount, man. I give them a $50 discount. So these are older customers, and they appreciated that, you know, I give them the discount. They're actually gonna have me back to clean their driveways, sidewalks, and also the front of the house. So it's a win-win situation, man. So I got a customer for life. Y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. If you haven't, leave me a comment and a like. You know, I appreciate all y'all support. Until next time, we'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.